Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Let's unbox a digital watch that I think I should have bought a long time ago when it was released in mid 2021. This is the packaging from one of the dealers in my country, which is a bit different from the usual ones that come in a blue carton box. And here is the watch, Casio A171WE with module code 593. It comes with its dealer warranty card, Casio warranty, and the operation manual. And here it is. Looks great, classic, maybe a rounded version of the A158, or let's say a budget alternative to the Casio Tron TRN50, which honestly is out of the budget range for this channel. Here are the modes: timekeeping, alarm, stopwatch, and setting mode. And here is the backlight, which is the same as the F91W since they use the same module. Here is how it looks on my wrist. And yes, I'll be wearing this watch for some time and we'll make a more detailed review as usual. If you have any thoughts to add, drop them in the comments below. Thank you. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.